Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about HTML paragraphs, and we are going to use again the same file. So right now we will remove this H1 to H6, and now we are going to write the paragraphs. So for example, if I write and P stands for paragraph, that is the start tag. Hello, today is Tuesday. Okay, and then close P. Okay, and control S for example, and we'll quickly execute this program. Just refresh. Okay, so we are getting hello, today is Tuesday. But now suppose if I write something like this, hello on first line, today is Tuesday, something like this, and then close of paragraph tag. Okay, so control S. Okay, and refresh the page. See, still we are getting the same output because obviously HTML automatically removes extra spaces. Okay, that is the first thing. Then second thing is, suppose if you are writing capital P, okay, and here you are writing the small or lowercase letter p, okay, control S, okay, and then refresh. See, we are getting output. Okay, that means your capital P and lowercase p both are same. Okay, so it is not a case sensitive language. Okay, then next thing is, suppose you have one more paragraph like this. You can have obviously like today's date is 30th April 2024. Okay, and then close of P. Okay, control S. Okay, and refresh the page. See, if it is one paragraph, obviously it will come in continuation, full paragraph, and if you are using one more paragraph tag, then only it will come to the new line. Now suppose between these two paragraph you want one horizontal line or something like that. So here you can use HR. Okay, so HR is again the empty tag because it does not have any content or end tag. That's why we call it as a empty tag. So suppose control S, and HR, the full form is horizontal rule. Okay, and here, yeah. See, we are getting that line. Okay, and suppose you want after hello break a line. Okay, and then you want today is Tuesday in a next line only like this. Then you can use one tag which is again we call it as an empty tag, that is BR, break a line. Why it is empty tag? Because it does not have any content and no ending tag. That's why. So control S again and refresh the page. See, we are getting hello, and we are getting today is what? Tuesday. And the last thing related to HTML paragraph, suppose you have your C programming code or any programming language code, and you want your code to be displayed as it is only. Okay, then in that case, what you can do? You can use PRE, that is the pre-formatted text. So suppose if I write hi, then some space, today is Tuesday. Okay, I'm writing like this. Then again, I am going to write here C programming language. Okay, suppose. Then from here I am writing Python, like then here I am writing Java, like, and then I'm closing this PRE, that is the pre-formatted text. Okay, then control S, and here the refresh. See, we are getting the output in the exact form. Hi, then obviously that much space only. C programming started from here, Python, Java. See, we are getting in the same format, that is in this way only we are getting. So that is also possible using the pre-formatted text tag, and short form is PRE. Thank you everyone.